Looking for a way to monitor and manage your child's phone remotely? Let's take a quick look at AirDroid Parental Control, what it does, how it works, and whether it's worth using. AirDroid Parental Control lets you see your child's phone activity in real time, screen mirroring, app usage, GPS tracking, and even remote camera access. You can also schedule screen time and block apps and set geofenced alerts. Setup is straightforward. Install the parent app on your device, then install the child companion app on their phone. Link the two with a code and you're good to go. It works on Android and iOS, but offers more control features on Android. Now, some standout features are live screen viewing without rooting, instant alerts for suspicious activity or app installs, and remote camera and mic access, which can be useful or intrusive, depending on your view. Now, the app runs smoothly, but battery usage on the child's phone can increase slightly. Some features need a stable internet connection to work in real time. Now, as far as pricing, there's a 3-day free trial. After that, plans start around $9 a month or less if you pay yearly. No free tier beyond the trial. Now, if you want robust monitoring with real-time tools and you're okay with the privacy trade-off, AirDroid Parental Control is a solid pick. And that's your quick review. Like and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and we'll catch you in the next one.